Now, I do want to let you in on an optional step you can do here. I promised you I would touch on it by the end of the video, and I'm going to here. So what you can do is come into promotions, and you can enable a promotion. So what this will do is it gives you, you could type in whatever code you like, discount for a certain amount of money, and when it expires, go ahead and then hit add discount. So for example, first 1,000, that's for first 1,000 followers, $1 off coupon, and you hit enable, it's good to go. Status is on. So you can do on, off. And what this is, as you can follow up here, this would be your storefront link here, and then question mark, PR equals, and then the promo ID. So let's go ahead and use this as an example. You can put whatever discount code you want in here. And what we're going to do is set this as the link for the Shop Now link and the Instagram link. So now you can advertise both your social platform links as discounted links by using our social platform, by using our Instagram page. By buying a shirt through our Instagram page, you're going to get a discount by clicking that active link on the bio. It's a huge marketing thing that you can use, and it's super simple to do. So all we're going to do is remember this question mark PR equals promo ID, and the promo ID is this right here. So let's go ahead and go to our storefront, view store. We're going to, again, copy this, open up a new page, go to bit.ly, and we're going to paste it. Hold on a second here. Let's open up a note here. I guess we're going to have to do it this way. No worries. We'll just open up a new note, and we'll paste it here. We'll do question mark PR equals whatever the promo ID was. So for this case, it's first 1,000. And we'll go ahead and copy that whole thing. Close out of there. And paste it right in here. Now, this shortened it again. What this is, now you can go ahead and put this back in your Instagram page. You can put this in your Shop Now button on Facebook. And then if you'd like, you can advertise it as a discounted link. So easy as that. This is a different link than the other one we created before. Unique link, but this one carries a discount code. So when someone signs in with, or when someone goes to your storefront with this link and they select a shirt, it'll give them a discount. Nice little marketing tool. It's a nice little hack. Take it with a grain of salt, but use it however you like. It's a clever technique there.